Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Woman After She Steals $1,000 Worth of Lululemon.
A retail theft surveillance, officers observed two individuals enter a shopping mall carrying bags believed to be part of an organized shoplifting scheme.
Kirostan, what's up, bro? How many people own this car? Are you the only person that owns this car?
It's my mom's car.
Oh, shit. Okay. You got your license, your insurance with you, man?
You got your license?
I got my license. Just have it.
You got a picture of it or something?
No, my whole wallet was stolen.
Your whole wallet was
I was
stolen?
supposed to file a police report.
You got a debit card or something with your name on it?
I don't have my whole wallet.
You got anything?
My whole wallet.
Is it your car?
No, it's his car.
That's
It's
his
my
car?
friend's car.
Why are we on this stop right now, bro? Be 100% honest with me. I'll be 100% honest with you.
I have no idea.
No idea?
No.
Okay. Were you guys not all putting merchandise in the back seat and hiding it as we were stopping you? Did that happen, or am I seeing stuff? Okay.
To work, well,
I got
this is
you.
my mom's car.
Where are you coming from, bro?
I just dropped them off at the mall.
You dropped them off at the mall?
That was it.
Okay, what were they doing in the mall?
I have no idea. I was just parked in the parking lot.
Okay.
Come on out here.
You know what?
Come on out by me.
I think I'm not.
You said there's no licenses going on. We're trying to find out if someone's
How do you pay that ticket?
Here. Come on over here. Oh, you got a warrant or something?
No, I ain't gonna warrant. No, no.
All right. Here's the deal. We saw you guys going with all the bags. Okay. Did you steal some merchandise in there?
No, it would. You saw us going with all the bags. I only have my bag, and he didn't have a bag.
Yeah. And then we're pulling you over, and you're moving the stuff from your bag.
No,
to
I was
the
looking
bag.
for my cigarette.
Okay.
I only got a short. That's
So when you went in the mall, did you buy anything?
No, actually, I was going to. It's a secret for what do they call it when you do when you put stuff on when you like get married or something and they got
The registry.
Yes,
Yeah.
I was going to see if they had a certain thing that my girlfriend wanted.
Okay, so you guys didn't buy anything?
No,
Okay, so there's no merchandise in the car?
no, sir.
Okay. So there's no reason that there'd be merchandise in the car?
Lying. Body language. Body language tells a lot, man. When he said, is there any merchandise in the car? She said, no. You know, all that extra, no. Lying. I could tell she lying.
Got
The registry?
Yes,
Yeah.
I was going to see if they had a certain thing that my girlfriend wanted.
Okay, so you guys didn't buy anything?
No,
Okay, so there's no merchandise in the car?
no, sir.
Okay. So there's no reason that there'd be merchandise in the car?
I mean, besides
You
what
you can be honest with me. We work in Orland Park. We deal with retail crime all the time. You go to Chicago, you get shootings, armed robberies, everything. You come to Orland Park,
Yeah.
this is our job.
and that's
Retail.
yeah, what you told me
Okay.
what you guys do.
So
But I
we
know-
see you guys. Listen, hear me out. Hear me out. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I want you to be completely honest
Okay,
with me.
all right,
Okay.
hands
We're going
down.
to start over.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
So
so-
let me tell you. So we watch you guys get out of the car. He's got a bag. The dude in the jersey. You got your purse. You got more bags in your purse. He gives you his bag to put in your purse.
No,
You guys come out of the
Hey,
mall.
I swear to you,
Okay.
his bag stayed in the car. He did not give me no bag.
Oh,
I
no.
did have my bag, which my coat was in it first.
Okay.
But this is a little bit more deeper than that. Be totally honest.
Okay. What do you mean?
Like, this isn't just because you walked in the store with a bag. You know what I mean?
No, that brings our attention to people. When you go into a shopping store where they give you bags when you buy stuff, when you go in with your own bags. That's one thing that we look for.
Okay.
Right? So we stopped you for expired plates. And then when we're pulling you over, we see clothes getting taken from a bag and put in the back seat. And then we're saying, oh, there's merchandise that was
No,
stolen.
that's my coat. I swear to you.
Okay.
Listen,
Yeah.
honest to God.
Yeah.
I was looking for my cigarettes and I was moving my coat. All right. I did not steal anything. I went to the Lululemon place. Okay, so I have a cousin that works there, right?
Yeah.
And I don't want to get her fired. So anyway,
You're fine. Give you a little discount or something.
yeah, but I don't pay her at the store. I pay her,
Okay.
you know, and then I was to go in.
So is that what you did today?
No, I didn't get a chance to do that.
Oh,
But she
okay.
was supposed to take off of the little things for me.
Okay.
And then her manager was there.
Okay.
So she signaled me to come back.
Right.
That's all. But no, I totally didn't. I don't do that.
Okay.
But we do have inside, little stuff like that.
Yeah.
But no, I don't go in.
All right.
I probably would have been running when I came out. I'm
right.
too.
How much stolen shit's on your car, bro?
They said they was going to make an exchange and get a gift card. That's all I know.
Okay.
That's it. I wouldn't have never done this stuff because, man, like I said, it's not even my car.
I got you.
Wait, so how old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
I'm 36.
36. Okay. No, you're not. You're not 36. Or you gave me the wrong birthday.
No. Listen, I'm almost 50 years old. You don't ask the lady her age.
Okay, so how old are you right now?
I'm almost 50.
Did she just say you don't ask a lady her age? First of all, I don't even know where this really came from. Because you hear girls say this stuff all the time. It's like an insult to ask a woman their age. Like, I don't understand that. In general, not even talking about in the criminal sense. It's like if you ask a chick her age, she's going to say something like that. You ask a man his age, he going to tell you his age. What's the big deal? Like, what the fuck? Like, I don't understand it. What the whole, you don't ask a woman her age. Like, who cares? Okay. We born, pay taxes, die. Everybody, all of us. Who cares? We're all getting older. Whether you're male, female, we're older today than we were yesterday. It's part of life. It's the cycle of life. Who cares? But you definitely don't say that to an officer when he's detaining you. You don't ask a woman her age. Do you think that's appropriate for this time? For this right now? Because you're about to go to jail. So you might want to get it together before we get you together.
All right. How old?
You won't judge me. How old do I look?
Just tell me how old you are.
You don't look 36.
I'm 48 years old. December, I'll be 48.
How much stolen shit's in the car?
Okay, listen.
Javon, hear me out. Take a seat. Take a seat.
I can stand when I'm talking to somebody, but I won't do nothing.
It's okay.
Crazy. Okay, Officer Livingston.
Yeah.
I have a connection at the Lululemon, the one in Chicago.
Yeah.
And she got me the stuff, but she didn't have her what are those things?
Hold on. Take a seat. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry.
So that's it's only one thing.
Here we go. Listen. I watched you go into the mall, right? You had a bunch of empty bags. You put it in a big bag.
That's what I'm telling you guys.
I don't think that's going to be the same.
Are you stealing to survive? Let me ask you that. Are you stealing to survive? To put food on your kid's table? Is that why you're stealing?
Okay.
I'm a person. Yes. Okay. I understand.
Guys, listen. Honestly.
Tough times?
Actually, I got that from somebody who did steal. Okay?
It is stolen.
It is stolen. It's stolen. They left the things on it, and they had somebody, and it did work out. That was in there. They would have taken it off.
You brought this into Lululemon.
To return.
Lululemon.
No, just so they can take the sensors off.
And did they do that for you?
No, the manager was there.
Did you ask them?
No, the manager was there. I was on the phone with. That's what?
Go ahead and stand up. Put your hands back. Are we going to start telling the truth now? Have I been nice to you this whole time?
It's too late now. I'm going to jail.
Did somebody read your mind?
No.
I'm going to jail now, so it don't matter.
Could you tell me what Lululemon store that came from so we can give it back to them? What location?
That was the one in the city. That was the one in the city, and I was really coming here
To return it.
Yeah, not to return it, but to get the things out. Okay.
What's the driver's involvement?
No.
What's the driver's involvement?
No, he just drove. He didn't even know what I was doing. I swear he did. He didn't know nothing what the fuck was going on.
You didn't agree to pay him money?
Hell, he didn't know what was going on. I promise. He wouldn't have took. Wouldn't have bothered me.
Okay. I already talked to him. What is his involvement? He didn't go in the store. He stayed on the phone.
He didn't know that I was stealing. He wouldn't have took me. He's a fucking working boy. He's a straight up.
So why are you bringing him into this?
Because I didn't think that this would happen.
Yeah.
I didn't think that this would happen. And then when you guys parked on the side and then came right down, I said, oh yeah. But it wasn't just because I went no mall with no bag.
Are you wearing anything that's stolen?
No, hell no.
Anything in your clothes?
No, I
Any
have
drugs?
none else, none else,
like that?
none else. But this is because I just went to the mall. Y'all been watching me.
No, we were parked.
Huh?
How long do you think we've been following you for?
For a long time.
No.
How long is that?
I don't know.
You guys pulled up about 10 feet from us. We were already parked at the mall. We see two people get out with all the bags, with all
he
the
had a
bags.
purse. He didn't have a bag.
How you doing?
Hi.
We just stopped the car and they had maybe $1,000 worth of merchandise.
Was the woman wearing a denim jacket?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I know. Yeah, she's coming here a couple times.
She has. Okay.
Did you take stuff today?
We saw her in the fitting rooms and I found tags after she left. So yeah, she did definitely. And they sped out. It was a man and a woman.
Yeah. What was the man wearing?
I know he had a hat on and he had
Patriots jersey?
and he had the
Perfect. Thank you.
cigar in his mouth.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, she had a
Did he
denim
take stuff
jacket.
too?
He kept bringing her stuff to the fitting rooms, like size 0, size 2, and she was not trying on a size 0 or
Understandable.
size 2.
Yeah.
You know.
So we could get you your guys' merchandise back, and could you do a duplicate receipt for us?
She came,
Oh, yeah, sorry.
she came in here last week and she was like saying that she's like a recovering addict and she's trying hard not to steal and that she wanted to like and stuff. So we brought that all up. We called our report line and everything.
But did you make a report with Orland yet or no?
I don't know what they do on the back end. All I do is I submit the reports of stuff I find and they do all that stuff on the back end. I don't really hear much about it, but I know she was in the fitting room for a while. But yeah, this is gonna be a decent. There's some stuff too she took that is not here too.
Lululemon's expensive. My wife will tell you.
You guys get a discount though.
Yeah.
Do we?
Yeah, 50%.
That's criminal. I didn't know that. Awesome. All right. Can you print out a duplicate receipt?
Officers recovered over $1,000 in stolen merchandise, returning every dollar back to Lululemon.
Unbelievable. You could tell she's lying. She's sitting there trying to come up with the lie and bringing other people into it. Oh, well, I got a connection with my cousin at this store and the manager this, the manager that. It's either one, you got to go one or two ways because you're already caught. Either just be like, all right, you got me. Or don't say nothing at all. Because that whole story of wasting people's time, you already going to jail. No, there's nothing in the car. You could tell body language. We could see it. Like, come on. The exaggeration, the honest to God. Oh my God. Like, no, let me, like all that exaggeration screams liar. That's all it does. Because when you're talking to a person, a regular conversation, all of that isn't happening. Okay? Performative. When you're giving a performance, an act, come on. Anyways, and another thing, I kind of do believe that the driver probably was not involved. I kind of do believe that. But yeah, man, this was just a performative act. She got caught. It's over. So yeah, I get a cops a 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.